Hello, I'm going to try a new teaching setup. It's a different day, different configuration. We'll see. So this is going to be 10.7. There are 2 pages of 10.7. We're going to start with the new concept page, and then we'll do a reinforcement page after that. So for the new concept page, it is introducing adding one more. So we're going to start with 2. We're going to add one more, and then we're going to add one more to that. So what I have here, okay, I'm going to use manipulatives to practice this. So you don't have to do it on the piece of paper. You can just do the idea talking through. You can use Q-tips. You can use bobby pins. Oops, that kind of made a mess. You can use, crayons. You could use anything that you can move around. I'm going to use some of these beans that they have been sitting in my pantry for like 4 years now because I thought I was going to make bean soup all the time, and I don't make bean soup. You could even use some cat or dog food, but Butter and Linus might be a little bit upset if I use their food. So the first problem is 2 and 1 make, and then we have to figure it out. So I'm going to start with 2 beans, and then I'm going to add 1 more. Now there's a box here, so if you are doing the work page, what they're asking you to do is draw the circles to show it. But you can do it with beans too. It doesn't, as long as you're learning, it's fine. So 2 and 1 make, and then what does it make? 3. So you can also use your fingers for this. Any way that you're going to learn is fine. And I'm sorry if I write it backwards. I'm doing this upside down. Now I'm going to go on to the next one. So it's asking, I don't have to change anything. It says 3 and 1. So I added 1 more. Now I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. And I can draw the picture of my 1, 2, 3, and I add 1 more. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 and 1 make 4. And remember, I want nice writing, you guys. We're not forgetting. We go down and over, pick up, down once more. Just because I'm not there to make you do it again or have a highlighter doesn't mean you get to do sloppy work, okay? I'm going to do 1 more just to give you an example, and then we'll go to the next page. So it's going to ask us 4 and 1 make. So we have our 4 from previous, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to add 1 more, and now I can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I can do a picture to go with it, whichever way works for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. I hope you guys can actually see that. And then the total would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make the man's neck, big fat belly, put a hat on him. Now you would do the same thing with the rest of the page. 5 and 1 make, 6 and 1 make, 7 and 1 make, 8 and 1 make. Continuing using manipulatives, drawing pictures. The next page is we're working on combinations to 10. So all of these we want to put what is going to go with this number here to make it into 10. So I'm going to look at my first one, and it shows me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 on this one, and I can use my fingers. I can use my fingers and do 6, or I can use a manipulative, beans or whatever, and do my figuring with that. So I'm going to show you with the beans first. So I have my 6 beans, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beans. And then I need to know how many make it into 10. So I'm going to actually just go ahead and make this pile into 10. I'm going to count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you notice how I touched each one and I moved it? So that way I know I've counted those. If I'm just going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, I might not keep track of what I've been counting. So when I count, I touch and move it just a little bit. All right, so I have 10. And then I'm gonna separate the number they're showing me first. So they're showing me 6 here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have my 6 beans there. How many more beans do I need to put with 6 to make 10? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I look at the options. Which one shows me 4? Here's my 6 on my domino. On my dice. They're showing nothing. What's that number? 0. 5. If I put 5 with that, is that correct? No, I need, how many are they showing me on that hand? 4. So I'm going to circle that one. On this one, the 10 frame, we don't even need to use the beans with this, you guys. It's a 10 frame. We know. How many are in the 10 frame? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which means I need how many more? 1. Does that show 1? Nope. Does that show 1? No, that's 4. But here is my 1. How many are they showing on that hand? It's 0. So I got my beans. I'm back to my beans. They showed me 0 beans. How many am I going to put with 0 to make it into 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Is that 10? Oh, that's 3. That doesn't make 10. 0 and 7. But look, is that 10 frame filled all the way up? How many are in a completely filled up 10 frame? There are 10. So you're going to do the same thing using these, and these. Let me know if you have any more questions. Thanks, you guys.